Alright, so I just got these Schlage locks in the mail. First new locks for a little bit. Nice big heavy duty round body, 6-pin. Looks like an American lock keyway, pretty much. But yeah, got a nice deal on them, so ordered them. Molybdenum shackles. Molybdenum steel shackle. High security 6-pin brass cylinder, resists picking. So let's try to pick them. Oh my god, of course I do that. I would have liked to open them without looking at the keyway, or I meant the keys, but like I did with my American lock video, but I could not do that because you can see them right off the front, which honestly these don't look like they have the best fucking bitting, but I think they'll be okay. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Harder to break into this plastic than it's going to be into the locks. Jesus. There we go. Pop. Oh boy. Oh, they feel nice. Alrighty, they have like a little slick oil to them or something, like a slight greasing. But oh yeah, those are some big boys. Pretty nice. Now here's the keys on them. As you can see, it's got that one high one in the back next to a low one. Could be difficult. Might not be, but we'll see. I've actually never picked any of these big locks like this before. I did have a cheap one that I tried to pick from Harbor Freight, and I just ended up breaking the fucking core. But these guys, they already feel like they're way better quality. Oh yeah, definitely serrated. definitely gonna have to use super light tension, it feels like. Like a little falset. Picking the fucking... God damn it. Picking my pick out. Oh, I'm an idiot. I hadn't popped all the way back. Pretty hard. Fuck. Fucking... God damn it. It's gonna get pissed off. Try a different tensioner. I think that one's getting in the way. I've been running on this problem with some of my other picks, that I get into a false set and I cannot get out. I cannot feel counter rotation. And I don't know if it's because I got too much tension. But even when I loosen up, I'm not. Oh, I got it. Boom. And that wasn't bad. Under 10 minutes for... What the fuck happened to the brightness now? But under 10 minutes, I'll do a little gut. Looks like it was... I'm using my girlfriend's phone. I don't know what the fuck is going on with it. But there we go. 6-pinner picked. security pins, definitely serrated, and spool at least in there, and well, that's got it. Alright, so now I'm gonna gut this here Schlage. Definitely felt like it had some, definitely has a couple, I think it's all security pins, gotta be. Pretty much fell in love with these locks for the price. Fucking love to order a few more. But it's just a Phillips head down in there. Take it apart. Got the ball bearing. Oh, Jesus Christ. The ball bearings. The shackle. Seems to be very well put together. There we go. Pretty solid plate in front of the core. We got the core down in there. All the stuff. Pops right out. Fairly solid core. Lubed. Oh. Take this C-clip off. Hopefully. God damn it. Oh man, these C-clips suck. Come on. Ugh. Usually I can catch them in the Try and catch them in the keyway or something. Pop them off. Dropping shit. I can't get this one right now. So I gotta make myself a little C-clip remover. Kind of forgot about doing that. Oh, come on. I stabbed myself. There we go. Got it. Fuck. Alright, so put the key in. Oh, so smooth. Oh, wow. Wasn't expecting that. I saw it in the reviews on this, but take a little look. Locks even have anti-drill pins in them. Look at that. I was not expecting that. I saw a review that said it, but I was like, no way did they actually come with it. But that is pretty nice. I'm not sure if one of them said anti-milling too, but let's see what we got. Uh-oh. Might have, looks like it probably has some little bit of counter milling in this core. So there we got all serrated. Pretty nice. I don't know if you're gonna get in there. Come on, focus camera. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother, but looks like there's counter milling in there. Definitely some of the nicer Nicest lock that I got, I guess. Let's make sure I don't fucking lose these. All spools so far. Oops, fucking. Huh. I didn't think they were spools. Well, I guess I did. So, this is what we got in the middle. The driver pins. Got that first steel pin on the right. The right side is the first pin. Those steel pins that are anti-drill. All spool driver pins, all serrated key pins. So that's why this is, honestly, I've tried picking this lock a couple times since I actually did the pick video, and I haven't been able to get it open since. That was, I haven't spent a lot of time, but I've definitely tried. And so at least now that I gutted it, I got it that one time. But now I know if I get a false set, apparently that's not good. So that's good to know. But this lock was actually a little nicer than I expected, and I actually might order some more. But there we go. Inside Schlage, very high quality, I guess. Got the fucking anti-drill pins and everything. See ya.